Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless heights. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless height. Break the earth, profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a strong year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless heights. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless.
Once we get to 2K likes, we're going to start. And I will not be staying long today.
Every time. Thoughts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a strong year. Patience pay, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. Smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless heights. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless heights. Break the offer, profitable mindset every time.
All right, good afternoon, guys. What's up? Please let us share this live stream and let us like. Okay, so if we are already on TikTok, we should get to 2K likes. If you're not ready, let us be watching. So on this our V75, all right, the reason why I add this buy was this. Please, if you want, just share me the pair you want me to check. Okay, you can drop it on the comment box. So on our monthly time frame, look at this bullish candle. All right, then the second candle, which was this market, was giving us a spiny top, giving us a resistance level here. But this present candle is actually breaking out, and this spiny top is giving us a long weak candle. All right, so I want to look for more buys to the upside. So I'm interested in buying this guy. That is what I'm interested on now. I'm interested in buying this guy. So according to what I have here now on this weekly, market has given me a nice support here. Let me mark this area out. That is our WS. So we have this support level, and I want to see a rejection. Let's go to daily now. So on this our daily, this was the I'm coming. Let me go to weekly again. Let me go to weekly. Okay, this guy. All right, Monday 03. So on daily time frame, so it seems this guy don't reject too. This guy don't push up. This guy don't reject now. Okay, let me do it this way. This is Monday 10 on daily time frame. Monday 10. Okay, so we expect market to come back to this area. All right. Hearts don't lie. Mhm. Every setback's even stronger you. Let me put a sign here. This was the rejection. Okay. And on daily time frame. Okay. So I want to see a shift from this high. A market that's not actually giving us that shift. So market has not given us the shift. Okay, so we need to be patient for this guy to give us the shift. All right, we need to be patient. So on daily time frame, we have this resistance level. We have this resistance level the market is rejecting from. All right, so on 4 hours, I want to see more push to the upside, because what you have a high, low, equal high, lower low, higher low. So I expect to see more push to the upside. So now on this 4 hours, market give us this nice rejection. Okay, and if you go to 1 hour time frame, I want to say market give me a shift. Market has not given us that shift yet. Market has not given a shift here, so it's still around this our 1 hour zone. So if market should push up from here, then this guy should actually push well. But if it doesn't, then it might actually still go against us on this V75 ordinary. So this V50, we are on sale on this guy, so I expect this guy to actually drop. That's my expectation. So here we'll be getting 3.59 RR. We'll be getting 3.59 RR. All right, and this our GBP AUD market is still now a drawdown, but what I expect is I want to see this guy drop. There is a high impact news coming from 130, so we're going to see if this high impact news is actually going to affect this GBP AUD. Maybe it's going to affect it, so let's see. And this our USD JPY, this USD JPY, after the news that's going to come out now, we're going to do break even. But I want the news. Okay, we are on 2K now. All right, so I actually want this news. Let me turn the camera. I'm not going to beg una now say waking at the top. Okay, because today me sef I don't really get time. So if you think you don't have time, me sef really sure don't get time. All right, I've been busy since yesterday. So now this is the UJ that we took yesterday. I want the news to come out first. The news that will happen for 1:30 thereabouts. Let us quickly check together. There's a news coming for 1:30. Let's check it together. Please let's tap and share. Hey Shatizi, what's up? Okay, so this is 1:30. So this is the news that's coming from 1:30. So in the next 20 something minutes, this news is going to come out. All right, so I'm going to see maybe we're going to have a good impact on this our UJ. But I want to see this UJ. We might have a spike. Okay, we might have a spike. So I don't want us to do break even yet. Okay, so the spike can actually push down then spike up again. So after the spike, if I see a confirmation for continuation for a buy, I'm going to engage for another buy. This spike, I don't want to take a buy on this kind of spike. You see that we have a spike to the downside. I want to see a very good spike. Maybe the news can actually give us a good spike, then give us another entry. So before we can do break even. Okay, so that's that for this. This week too is kind of challenging as well. It's kind of challenging. So let us check V15S. Okay, so this is V15S, and market got to our area where I want to sell from, but I'll never see opportunity yet, so that is why I don't want to engage. If you remember, we analyzed this guy, so I never see opportunity yet. You see the way market is trying to push up. Can you see? This is our daily resistance zone. Let's keep tapping. So let's go to monthly and let us see what's trying to happen. So what I can feel here is, to me, I think market is ready to keep pushing up. You understand what I'm saying? So I think market is ready to what? To keep pushing to the upside. So look at this, our MR, the market has not mitigate. That is the nearest bus stop that this guy is likely to get to. So that means maybe market is ready to keep pushing, because this area is where is our 50% area on our fib level. So what I'm going to do now is, I've already done a bias here, looking for opportunity for a buy around here. So this guy, I'm going to delete this. So let's go to weekly now. All right, so this is the weekly. So the setup that we have here might not actually hold. The setup we have here might not hold. So what do? We take it out. All right, so we take it out. All right, so where market is supposed to give us a reaction to the downside, market is not giving us. So that means we want to look for what? More buying opportunity, because the pressure is still pushing to the upside. So let's go to daily time frame. All right, so on our daily time frames, you can see market has already been giving us higher low, higher low. All right, and for the past how many days, we'll be having buy. This is what's it called? Um, inverted hammer. Then we have continuation to the upside. Okay, then we have continuation. So this is where market was trying to do as if it wants to reject this level before market now starts giving us a continuation to the upside. So for market to do this, then our main target is going to be this our MR. All right, it's going to be this our MR. So now we need to look out for where, how we can engage for this continuation. There's no support that give us rejection here. This support, no rejection. This area is only the place we have a rejection. All right, so market might come here and market might not. This guy, we have a rejection here. Then here, this is the recent one that we have what? A rejection this way. So from this rejection, this is our DS. So what do we expect? We go to our 4 hours time frame to look out for where we can engage. All right, so here we go. So on our 4 hours time frame, where I would now love to engage on this continuation is this area, this support zone, something like this. Okay, which is going to be our 4S zone. All right, so this area I'll be looking forward to do my continuation of buy, lock it. All right, so if market come back here, I want to say nice rejection, then continue to the upside, continue to the upside. Okay, so we'll be looking for buying opportunity from there. So that is that for this V15. So let's just check other ones. So yeah, this V25, let's check. Let's tap and share this live stream. You see that ever since we don't get to 2.6, nobody is tapping again. Nobody is tapping again. So this guy, we have analysis on this. Okay, so when I was having class with my students yesterday, I told him to take a sell from this point. All right, so let us go to weekly or monthly to know the overall. So what is the overall here? As you can see, market is what is bullish. Market has been giving us what high low. Let me take this one out because this one is too far. We'll be having what higher high, higher low, then higher high to the upside. So market is likely to come back to this support area before we have what a continuation to the upside. So we should be looking for what more sell opportunity to this level. And if you look at what we have here, we have this our 4-hour monthly support with this rejection. So market is likely to come back to this area, which is on weekly. If you go to weekly, you're going to see it clearly. So weekly, we have this support area here that I want market to actually get to. So what market has been doing here, market has been trying to do some consolidation market here. Market has been consolidating around here. All right, so we rather look for what more selling opportunity, not a buy. More selling opportunity. Because what we have here, where market give us this lower low, lower high, we have another lower low, then we have this higher high. So I want to see market create another lower low to the downside. All right. So last week candle, this is what we have. Let me take this one out. Market give us this nice open and this close. Okay. Let me mark it this way. Please, let's keep tapping. Let me name this at my WC. So now let's go to daily time frame. All right, so here we go. So on our daily time frame, okay, you realize that we have a zone here that when we analyze the market, we have this resistance level, rejection. So we are hoping for market to come back to this area, but market might not come back now. Market might not come back to this area now. Okay, it might be later. Okay, so why are we having this rejection? That is what we want to know. The rejection was actually coming from this guy. Can you see this level? The rejection was actually coming from where? From that level, which is our daily resistance level, DR. That was where the rejection was coming from. Okay, and we are trying to look for what? We are trying to look for selling opportunity. So from this rejection, market has created the resistance level here. So let's go to 4 hours time frame now. So on this our 4 hours time frame, okay, this was the low that was created before the rejection here. So we kind of mark this guy as our what? The major shift. Can you see this shift here? All right, that was the shift. The market came up here and pushed down again to the downside. But market left behind what? It left behind this area that we might have a possible sell. This guy as our what? As our 4 hour zone. Okay, let me lock it. Okay, so there's possibility that market can still come to this area, give us some rejections, and still drop again. You understand? And still drop again. Because if you draw your trend line this way, that means market can still come back to that area. This is 40. All right, so this trend line is telling us that we have a break here, and market can come and give us a tap and drop again. You understand? For a continuation for this sell. So this one, I will be having a sell limit on this. We'll be doing a sell limit on this guy. Okay, and I'm going to post this guy on our VIP right now. So let me take this trend line out. One smart move. We're gonna take a shot here. This one is going to be aggressive trade. Our SL is going to be something like this. Then our TP. Let me see the leg. We are going to use this week as our TP. Okay, so we're going to use that week as our TP. Make market can take out this week. This liquidity that is here. So that is the target. This is V25 ordinary. It remains 10 minutes for the news. Entry price SL. Okay, I think that's all. Save chart. Save chart. So which pair? Look at the pair here, bro. Look at the pair here. Look at the pair here, bro. So let me quickly post this guy. Let me post V25.
Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset. Every time.
V25. What's our VIP? Okay.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you
No. All right. So for the free Telegram group, let me post now. So that we posted on the VIP. Okay. Use 1, 2, 3. Out. And get out. Okay, so it has been posted. It has been posted. Let's tap and share this live stream. So it has been posted. So we wait for market to come and tap us in. So this is V25. Let me bring it up. All right. So let us go to this UJ because of the news. Let's see what the news is going to have for us. Let's see what the news is going to have for us. Let's go to gold. The news is coming for 1:30 in the next 6 minutes. Now we'll be having the news now. So this is gold. This is gold. As you can see, this is gold. So there's probability that this guy might. We have this support area. The market give us this rejection. You see that gold has not been really moving. You see what gold has been doing here. Look at this indecision candle. Look at this indecision candle. Look at this indecision. So market is not really pushing at all on this gold. So probably maybe the news can actually push this market. But what I'm expecting is I want gold to get to this high. Okay, and where is the high? This is our weekly resistance level. I want gold to get to this weekly resistance level. So let us go to weekly. Alright, so that is my target. I want this guy to actually get to. Alright, I want it to push up to this level. Okay, I want it to push up to that level. So we have 5 minutes left for the news. We have 5 minutes left for the news, and this is daily time frame. This daily time frame. Try Euro USDT, please. Euro USD. So the Euro USD that we took yesterday later went against us. So Euro USD on daily time frame, as you can see, market gave us a drop here, giving us this rejection. So there's probability that it might push up and drop again. There is probability that market might push up and drop again because this is a rising wedge here. This is a rising wedge. The market is giving us what? A break from that trend line. So if you go to your 4 hours, so what I expect now is market can still push up to this resistance and drop again. You can push up here and drop again. All right, so I'm not going to be trading this guy at all. I'm not trading this guy. Look at this beautiful rising wedge that market filled. It pushed up nicely and it dropped again to the downside. So which means market wants to change direction to this, maybe to this support before we have a continuation. All right, so we have 3 more minutes left. Let's go and watch that UJ. Let's see how it's going to react. Let's see how it's going to react. Maybe it will favor or it will not. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. All right, so this is the 1 hour time frame. So we have less than 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes. Let's watch and see. 160, 360, 160, 360, 160, 360, 160, 360. I don't know why this thing's on there. Close up, I beg. I don't know why the thing only respond. Bello Junior said TP straight. Good afternoon, sir.
Patience pays, let your winners run.
It remain 1 minute left. 160, 360.
Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio 2.
160, 360.
Every time.
So it's time for the news now. Okay, the news is dropping. I hope this guy can give us a spike. I would like to see it spike down. Then we're gonna engage for buy. It's time for the news. Let us see the reaction on gold. There's no impact. Let me check the outcome here. You see, US, oh my god, USD is weak. Look at that. USD came out weak. And one thing about this thing now, right? Sometimes, even if USD come out weak, you will still see that in the market, you will still be going in the favor of USD again. That is one thing that is crazy about these stuffs. Let us see the Euro USD. There's no impact. You see what I'm saying? Euro USD is weak, oh, and is in the favor USD. Look at the way they drop. A news came out that make USD to be weak. We are supposed to have a buy. Market is dropping. Let's go check our USD JPY. So that means our USD JPY should fly. Look at the week. Look at the long week. Look at that. Look at that. This is what I want to see. Look at that. Can you see? This is what I want to see. So we've seen this now on 15-minute time frame. Let me lock this guy. Lock. So we've seen this now 15-minute time frame. We're going to look for how we're going to engage for buy. Okay. I will look for how I'm going to engage for another position here. So let's go back to 1 hour. But the spike no reach. That's just it. Assuming the spike actually take this low out, it sweep it will actually make sense. But it is very clear on 15 minutes, but I don't want to use 15 minutes. So instead of that, don't let us add any position. Let us just leave this trade. Okay, so let us just leave it. So we can now we can secure our entry now. You can do your break even. I will tell my guys now to do break even now. So give me a minute. Let me do my sell limit on that pair and do break even here. Give me a minute. Keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a strong way. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Breakthrough seasons getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless life. Roxy to profitable mindset every time. V15S. So you can do your break even on YouTube. Yeah, so this 15S, I'm expecting market to come back here so that we can buy. I want market to push back here, then we buy. Okay. So I want market to pull back. So let us check the trade that we are on. We are on this V75. Let us check the updates. What is the update like? Okay, so market is still reacting on this our 1 A zone, this area, market is still reacting nicely there and is trying to push up. Okay, GBP AUD, it is a sell. We want this guy to drop. Okay, it's still going to drop the way I'm seeing it. This guy, market is still on our entry point. Market is still in on our entry point. So I think these are the trade with that UJ. So let us check V10. Let us check them one by one, the one that we analyzed before. So I think by 2 I will have to go. Let me go to 4 hours. It's just that I don't want to break record. I will make sure I come live every day. But I've been busy these days, seriously. I've been busy. So this guy has already given us that tap and is ready to buy. Okay, so let us go to monthly time frame and see. So as you can see, on monthly time frame, market is bullish, right? Market is bullish. So we have this support level that market is likely to push back to and buy. But at the moment, market is respecting this rising wedge. Can you see this rising wedge? We have a touch, a touch, a touch, a touch. We have a touch, we have a touch. So let's go to our weekly now. So market is giving us the confirmation for what? For a buy. So on weekly time frame, as you can see, market has given us this touch on this area. Okay, so if you go to daily time frame, you will see the sector that we have here. Okay, so market gave us what? We have this daily support giving us a rejection from this guy. Can you see the guy? After the rejection, market pushed back to this guy once more and tap on 4 hours. So this is where we got the confirmation. Look at that, market came down here and gave us that tick on 4 hours time frame, and now market is already giving us what we call TDY soldiers. All right, so this is what TDY soldiers, bullish. This is what they call a TDY soldiers. All right, 90s. Okay, so how do you think we're going to engage on this? This is 4 hours. Let us just wait for market to try to pull back here, then we can engage for a buy. All right, so that is what we should just look out for. Let us be patient. Okay, let us be patient. As you can see, market has already taken this eye out now. This eye, market has taken it out. So let us wait for market to pull back. V90. V90S. Okay, before we check V90S, let us check V75S. Because V75S, we've analyzed it before. Okay, beautiful. So this is our V75S. Let's go to weekly time frame. Now, my bias is I want this guy to keep pushing. Okay, I want this guy to keep pushing to this area. All right, so this is my target. So if you look at what happened here on weekly, you see that market gave us what? A nice resistance level. Our market is breaking out. So on daily time frame now, okay, on daily time frame, market has given us what? A nice rejection from this support level. We have a nice rejection from this support level, and we have a break now to the upside. So market is trying to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. That is what market is trying to do on this daily time frame. So market might not actually get to that hour zone for now. Let me see where market is likely to reject from. Okay, we have a zone here and we have a zone here. We have series of zone right there. So let's go back to the current market. So there are many zones that market is likely to do what? To reverse from. So let's go to 4 hours now. So here we go on 4 hours. As you can see, this was the rejection that took place, and we have our shifts here. This is a significant shift here. So we have our shift here. So from this shift, I expect market to push back and do what? And buy again. But with the way market is moving, okay, there's high probability the market can still give more push to the upside. There is high what probability. And look at this, we have series rejections from this our resistance level here. We have series rejection. So if you go to 1 hour time frame, okay, or 1 hour, market give us what a nice support here with series of rejections. When we have this series of rejections, we have a push to the upside. So this is how we can actually engage for this continuation, I mean immediate continuation. So let me show you. So we have this our 1 hour support here, 1 hour support here, which is 1HS, okay, and we have a break from this guy. This is a break. So let's go to 15 minutes. We might still come back to this 1 hour. I just want to show you something on 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, this is a break. So we rather use the 1 hour. Let's now go back to the 1 hour. So this one hour is looking better. So let us mark this guy as what our major shift. This is where we have our shift. So if you want to look for entry, let us just mark out this zone for entry like this. For continuation, which is what 1HS zone, lock it. All right, so this is what immediate continuation, and this is the inducement leg the market has created now. All right, immediate. Okay, so let us look out for where market is likely to get to. Let's put position here, something like this, and let us see, maybe you can get 1 to 2. If you are using 1 to 2, okay, 1 to 2 is somewhere here. All right, so let us see where market is likely to get to. Let me put horizontal line here. So let's go back to daily and let's see together. Let's look at the zone together. Possible area. Okay. So we have a resistance level here. Can you see this resistance level? So all this range, market might consolidate. So that area is actually very good. Okay, same setup. All right, so that area is very good, this area. Okay, because market might find it difficult to continue breaking because of this high, and this high. All right, so let's go back to the current market. So catching 1 to 2 is better here than you catching this guy. Okay, than we catching this long trade. Do you know why? The reason is just because you realize that we have a rejection here on our daily time frame. Can you see this rejection? Okay, so market has already given us a break above here. So market can use here and tap and start dropping to this area and buy again. So you get. So that is why I want to look forward for a buy from that point. So, and you see this level, I'm thinking of we using this area I'm thinking of using this area okay, I'm thinking of using this area, but I don't want a situation the market will just tap in here and buy. But at the same time, let us use this area. Here is better, so that we can have a better RR. All right, so our TP is now going to be on this same guy here. All right, so here is actually better. Okay, so we'll be having a buy limit on this guy as well. Aggressive on this too. Aggressive on this. So hopefully, if market can tap us in, then it's going to be Cool. So let me mark it out. Let me do the sell by setup here. Please let's keep tapping.
Charts don't lie.
414.
Keep your vision clear.
Keep your vision clear.
Every setback, build a stronger. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give. Stay disciplined, that's where change begins. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all. You know. Faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life.
V75 1S sharp. V75 1S sharp. Once it's 2, I'm closing my live stream. Let me go post this guy now.
Charts don't lie. Keep your vision clear. Build a stronger. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over.
It has been posted now.
Till the goal is won.
It has been posted.
Don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to
Bello Junior, I greet you, sir.
every
How you doing, sir? How you doing, sir?
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing well, oh. And you too?
Fine, I'm doing fine.
Yes, sir.
The gold carry by $50.
What is it? What is it?
Gold carry by $50 today.
Since that yesterday, he
I said
never.
gold carry by $50 today.
You
You don't
took,
hear me?
you took, sir. How did it happen?
No, I took I was a buy limit. I did the buy limit on gold.
Okay.
Now, just now. Just now.
Eh. Wow.
No, it's today. Oh.
Wow.
Today, gold.
Wow.
I was expect all. I was all before I go. I already $15.
Wow. Wow. Sorry about that. Don't worry, we go come back. Let me quick. What is it? Ah, Omo, your network is terrible. The network is terrible. Let me quickly see what is going on this gold, because gold is still very much okay for a buy from where it is. Gold is on a very strong support area. Let's go to 4 hours now. It's very on a strong support area. As you can see, this is what a nice support. This is a liquidity. Then this is good for a buy right now. So if you can take this long position, I will be engaging on this gold right now for a buy. My SL is going to be like this. All right, I'm engaging on a buy on gold until I'm sorry, let me quickly enter this trade. Give me a minute, let me enter. So I will be doing my TP later, and I will place my SL properly as well. So let me quickly place this SL here. This is going to be the SL. It's very good for a buy right now. Put your SL here. It's very good for a buy right now. All right, since the news did not actually give it what I want to see. So now let me mark out where we'll be using for TP. Okay, we have this resistance level at the same time for this guy. Okay, weekly, let me see the weekly resistance level. Is that actually okay? Okay, yeah, we are good. We're good. So let's go back to 4 hours. All right, so we are good for this buy. All right, good. So this is the TP. So this is the TP. Then we push up from here. Save chart. I hope you're on this buy. I'm buying this guy now. I'm on the buy already, so I'll go and do my own SL properly. Save check. So give me a minute. Let me quickly post this guy now. Let me post it. Good. So if you want to join our VIP is $20 to join, then $10 for 2 weeks. All right, good. Posted on the VIP. You remain the free Telegram group. It has been posted on the free Telegram group as well. Yeah. Okay then. Can you get me this thing along, babe? Come. Yeah. And that is what I have. Happening. So we have a running trade now on gold. So just give me a sec. Let me do my own TP. Let me place my TP. Okay, so there we go. So there we go. So guys, that is that for that. So that is our trades. This is one of our trades still running. GBPAUD still rolling. I think it wants to start dropping now. Still rolling. Then this guy what is it called, sir? This V75. So we're going to see how everything goes at the end of today. So I'll be updating you guys on how it goes because I need to leave now. I told you I'll be closing by 2. I've been busy since yesterday. So tomorrow, by the grace of God, you see me in the morning by the grace of God. All right. So guys, make sure you follow me if you haven't, and try to join us tomorrow. I will keep you updated on any trade. Okay, so thank you so much. Enjoy the music and take care of yourself. Bye guys, love you.
Charts don't lie.